Graph of linear equation in two variables, exercise 4.3. Question number 1, part first, x plus y is equal to 4. So here you have to plot this line x plus y is equal to 4 on the graph paper. Now, as we have done previously, we know x plus y is equal to 4. So first of all, we will draw a box here, right over here, and then we will indicate for x and y. Then we will be taking at least 3 points. Now x plus y is equal to 4, so y is equal to, you can write 4 minus x, transpose x that side, so y is equal to 4 minus x. Now we can take different values for x and we will obtain different values for y. Put x is equal to 1 here, 2 here and 3. X is equal to 1, so y is equal to, x is equal to 1 put here. So you get y is equal to 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. So here this point will be, y will be 3. Similarly, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So 4 minus 2, so here it's 2, y is equal to 2. X is 2, y is 2. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. So x is 3, y is 1. Now we have to plot these points. We are getting 3 points, 1, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 1. X is 1, y is 3, x is 2, y is 2, x is 3, y is 1. And we have to plot these points on the graph paper. So here we have origin, x-axis, y-axis, and here this is point 1, this is 2, this is 3. Similarly here 1, this is 2, and this point will be 3. So here you have 1, 3, x is 1 and y is 3. This means this is the point 1, 3. Then we have another point 2, 2, x is 2 and y is 2. So that will be this point 2, 2. Then we have third point, x is 3 and y is 1. X is 3 and y is 1. That is this point. X is 3 and y is 1. First we write the value of x, then we write the value of y. That is 3, 1 there. And join all these points and extend. This is the graph of the linear equation in two variable x plus y is equal to 4. So done. Question number 2 is, give the equation of two lines passing through 2, 14 and how many more such lines are there and why. The point is given to you 2, 14. Question number 2. 2, 14. This is the point. That means this is the value of x and this is the value of y. What you have to do here is that you have to tell through this point, you have to tell that equation of line that passes through 2, 14. Suppose this is 2, 14. So you have to tell equation of this line. At least here you can indicate two equations. You are asked to find two equations passing through this point 2, 14. So let us take a relation as you please. That means you may take x plus y is equal to, now you see, that is your choice. You can take x plus y, you can take x minus y, you can take 2x plus y, you can take 5x plus y. Choice is yours. Whatever relation you want, you can take between x and y. There should be some relation between x and y, that is either x plus y or 2x plus y, or whatever you feel like you can write. I have written x plus y, you can write anything in terms of x and y. Now here you substitute the value of x as 2 and y as 14. 2 plus 14, that will be 16. So this is first equation. This is an equation. first equation. Similarly, you can take any other relation. So suppose I write 2x plus y. That is equal to 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus y, that is 14. 14, 4 plus, that is here 2 to the 4. 4 plus 14, that is equal to 18. So second relation can be this. Similarly, you can take more relations. You can take 3x plus y. 3x plus y, 3 to the 6. 6 plus 14 is equal to 20. So that is your third relation. So like this way you can find so many equations. Out of them you can write any two whichever suits you. Again the question says, through this point how many such lines are possible? Now you see, to this point first line was drawn, so this is second line, through third line, fourth line, and so on. You can draw infinite number of lines passing through this point 2, 14. So since through any point infinite number of lines can pass, therefore we come to a conclusion that infinite number of lines will pass through this point also 2, 14. The part in the question was that how many lines can pass. That means infinite number of lines can pass through the point 2, 14.